Hey everybody, I'm Casey Hollins and it's time for Word on the Web. The Ottawa Senators organization is making a big announcement today about the renaming of Scotiabank Place. It will now be called Canadian Tire Centre. Interesting. We asked you guys what you would rename some of the NHL's hockey arenas if you had the power, and here's what you had to say. Graham said, whichever company gives the most for naming rights place, which is pretty appropriate. Damien said goalie graveyard. That was his suggestion. And this guy suggested Toys R Us Arena. I'm not sure that would really catch on. This guy said the Calgary Arena should be named the Tim Hortons drive-thru. Tim Hortons has to be the name of an arena at some point, right? And Old Freddie suggested that the ACC should be named the Heartbreak Hotel. Sadly fitting. And our very own Sid Sixero had a joke to make. He said Scotiabank Place is now Canadian Tire Centre. Sens also announced they'll pay out remainder of Erik Karlsson's deal in Canadian Tire money. Well, that would save the Sens some money, wouldn't it? Yesterday, former Canucks coach Alain Vigneault agreed to a 5-year contract to coach the New York Rangers. We asked how well you thought Vigneault would fit in New York, and most of you were just sad to see AV gone from Vancouver. Brian Hamilton said, he's such a polar opposite of Torts. I bet the farm the Rangers respond positively to his coaching style. It'll be great for them to be respected and treated like pros instead of children for a change. Bill said he'll do fine until the playoffs and then he'll get out coached in a series because he doesn't ever adjust the style of play, ever. And Chris said, what's done is done, AV's gone, and Gillis is still here, deal with it. AV should be a good fit for the Rangers, and best of luck to him there. So there you have it. That's all for Word on the Web, but stay tuned tomorrow to find out what you need to know.